In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Expressvpn for your iPhone in a few easy steps. If you're seeking enhanced privacy online or want to navigate Netflix libraries from different countries, Expressvpn is a great tool to help with that. Let's dive right in and get you set up. To start, you'll want to head over to Expressvpn's official website. This is the best place to get your subscription because it ensures you're getting the most up-to-date software and support directly from the source. Once you're on the website, you'll see an option labeled My Account. This is where all the magic begins. Go ahead and click on that. When you click on My Account, you'll be prompted to sign in. If you're already a member, you can enter your credentials here. If you're not, you'll need to create an account by filling in the necessary details. This step is crucial as it ties your subscription to your devices, making your online experience as seamless as possible. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you will be directed to your personal Expressvpn dashboard. Think of this dashboard as your command center, where you can manage all aspects of your VPN service. From here, you'll want to look for a section related to devices. Click on the Devices option. Now, this is where the specific setup for your iPhone begins. The page you're now on should showcase all the devices compatible with Expressvpn. Here, you'll need to find and select iOS, which represents your iPhone's operating system. Selecting iOS will tailor the instructions to match what's required to get your iPhone up and running with the VPN. By following these steps, you are ensuring that you have configured your iPhone to work seamlessly with Expressvpn, maximizing both your security and browsing freedom. Remember, having a VPN not only enhances your privacy, but also gives you peace of mind knowing your data is significantly protected from unwanted eyes. So there you have it. With Expressvpn installed on your iPhone, you're all set to explore the digital world with greater privacy and access to content from around the globe. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Stay safe online and enjoy exploring the internet with your newfound privacy and freedom.